before this video starts, I want to mention that these clips that you guys are about to see are from when I got the car, and then 2 days after I took it to school for the first time. And I didn't get the best footage, but I filmed what I could. I didn't get the best angles, like I said. I was new to filming and whatnot, but I think the clips are worthy enough to make it in a video. So here are some of the clips that I recorded when I went to high school for the first time in my 2003 Cobra Terminator. Yeah. It's fast. Everyone's checking it out.
It ain't no VTEC either.
No.
Oh! He got you.
What is he driving?
He's driving 6.
Oh, he's talking about Tyson. Yeah. Hey, what's up?
Where are you guys going, huh?
Actually, let me check. I didn't put that much gas in. It's quiet though.
Yeah. Dude, you only have 3.
Yeah, it's man.
That's crazy.
It's fast. It's a throttle cable. Alright guys, we got Nathan Cropper right here. He's gonna check out the Termi. I already got a bunch of people checking it out, but we got Abe and Ish. Say hi to the YouTubes.
I'm gonna take pictures of it, but it's good.
Ooh, what do you think?
Oh, I see it.
Oh, bro, what do you?
It looks so much better in person.
I know.
This is what
It's already slammed, bro. It's lowered. It has it. I put the wheel spacers on. It looks so much better. Am I right?
Only on the wait, all 4 or
Yeah,
the back?
No, just the back. So much beefier though, doesn't it? Like the outside. Yeah.
Look at the seats.
That's the back windows. Yeah, right here. Yeah, drop top. I'm gonna put the top down when I leave. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, when I leave. Supercharger, intake, and this is the pulley. That's what basically you can get a smaller one, which it is smaller, you can get very fast. So here's a little backstory before we got the car. So it's January 24, 2018, and here we are rolling up in the 3-valve, pulling up at the dude's house who previously had the Cobra. As you can see, it looks really stock. Nothing looks like it's been done. It's just been lowered. But here's one of the first videos I filmed on my iPhone, and I was just in love with the car, and you guys will see in the next clips. So we picked up the car with my buddy Cameron and my buddy Derek, and we went to go pick up the car. And here's just some of the highlight clips. On my way home, there was a M5, and you could hear it's a V10, and we were just messing around with it. And the whine on the Cobra, that's something I really miss, is the whine. Hey guys, so me and my dad are headed off to the smog shop. I need to put the off-road H-pipe back on, so I'll find a way to do it that way. But for now, I need to get smog and stuff. That's the main goal. As you can see here, we got the stock cats right here, and we'll see you guys there.
That's it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We just got it. Yes. 34,000.
34.
Yeah, we just got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotta get there.
Thank you. It's pretty loud, actually. So here, like I said, we had to get the car smogged. This was all previous before we actually started driving the car and whatnot. But man, the stock look looks so good. You know, all the pieces that I've done really just goes all together. I can't just get rid of one piece. I put the chrome OEM wheels back on. But you guys will hear in the next clip, the whine is just crazy.
okay. In the morning.
Oh, for real?
What time do you even leave?
Nah.
Get my box.
Alex?
Yeah.
You're Alex?
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Alex. Is this your new ride right here?
Yeah.
Supercharged? Dang, dude. Is that rebuilt tension or is that stock?
This one, yeah, it's a smaller board. Right there. It only has 30.
No, like the actual block right there. Is it rebuilt?
It's built from the factory, actually. The forged internals.
Oh.
Yeah.
I've never actually seen that type of supercharger in person before. I've only
Yeah.
seen the true one once. I looked at Timber.
Right. How's about?
It's
about- Yeah, it's tuned. I'm not quite sure. I think it's around between 12 and 13 pounds. So stock is like 9 because the pulley has a little like 4 pounds of boost.
Yeah. How much horsepower do you think she makes?
At the crank, probably like 500, but at the wheel, maybe like 450 to 470 or so. Wow, SVT Cobra sitting in a SVT Cobra.
You're just waiting.
Is it?
Oh my god, the stock clutch is heavy.
Is it light compared to yours?
No, it's ugly. It's nasty.
I know, but is it lighter or is it heavier?
Heavier.
Really?
Stock clutches are heavier.
No way.
Mine's twin disc. That's
Can I feel yours? That's what I'm used to. I sat in my buddy's 5.0 and it was like, whew, it was easy.
This leather is a lot stronger than the one I have.
Really? That's pretty. Quiet.
Is it just upper delete?
No, it has off-road H.
It's an actual extra
Yeah. Well, it's a Magnaflow catback.
And that shit gets loud. Like mine. I don't fucking quiet. That shit got fucking louder.
It's an H, right? I was thinking about changing it to an X, but like it sounds good, to be honest. I don't know.
That sounds fucking mean.
Yeah, I think I might just keep it. I don't know. I'll rev it a little bit.
That shit sounds fucking
Yeah, I don't think I want to change it. I mean, like.
That sounds fucking. Hey, kid, that sounds better than yours, on Laura. You need to get this.
Because when it's a pump like that.
That's what I was gonna say. Yours isn't pop.
Because the H pipe.
Yeah, the H pipe is actually.
They have different.
They flow differently.
Yeah.
You guys cruise it here? Or you cruise
Yeah.
it here with them?
We figured out a few things and then we I need you just to listen, shorty. I need you, yeah, before I leave. Pull up in that new just for you. We go back, you knew I'd look for you. Pull up, got a few checks for you. Baby, I know that you came up without me, but don't doubt me, yeah. I need you sober. I know you know that, baby. So distance, I go missing, I miss you. I feel you, I'm with you. I feel you, girl, I'm with you. I pull up fast, you know. I pull up fast, you know.